Welcome to Review Rumble. The best kids' activities is probably one of the most crucial investments parents can make for their children's development, offering a vibrant spectrum of opportunities to foster creativity, enhance problem-solving skills, and encourage physical activity, all while providing endless hours of engaging fun that keeps young minds stimulated and curious about the world around them, making every moment a chance for growth and discovery. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Dive into a world of discovery with this incredible science kit. It offers over 100 exciting experiments and activities for curious young minds. Imagine growing your own crystals or making a volcano erupt right before your eyes. This kit includes these and many more thrilling projects, like creating dueling water tornadoes. There's enough excitement in this science lab for everyone to join in. Share the magic of discovery with family, friends, or classmates and enjoy learning together. A detailed, full-color learning guide reveals the science behind each experiment. It helps your child develop a deep and lasting appreciation for various earth sciences. Clear, easy-to-follow instructions ensure a hassle-free experience. They build young scientists' confidence, allowing them to focus purely on the joy of exploration and discovery. This is a high-quality, hands-on educational toy designed for lasting engagement. It's backed by exceptional service, ensuring a stellar experience for every young scientist. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of over 100 science experiments, making it perfect for extended learning. Its detailed learning guide ensures a deep understanding of earth sciences, fostering lasting appreciation. If you have a curious child eager to explore multiple scientific concepts and share discoveries, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 4. Wikki Stix Doodler Travel Toy. Keep little hands busy on airplanes, road trips, and waiting rooms. This reusable sensory activity is loved by kids and is easy to carry anywhere. They are made from non-toxic wax and yarn, sticking together with just fingertip pressure. Easy to peel, reposition, and reuse without any cleanup or sticky residue. Their soft, bendable texture provides satisfying tactile play. This encourages focus, creativity, and calm engagement for screen-free fun. Kids can make designs, letters, and 3D creations, developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It includes an idea booklet for even more inspiration. These include 24 colorful 6-inch sticks for ages 3+. They are CPSIA compliant and regularly safety tested, trusted by parents and educators. What we like. This travel toy provides screen-free entertainment, keeping little hands busy on the go. Its unique wax sticks are mess-free and reusable, sticking with just fingertip pressure. If you are looking for a quiet, portable, and sensory-friendly activity for trips or waiting rooms, this is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Cupkin Magical World Sticker and Coloring Book. Discover a world of wonder with this enchanting sticker and coloring book. It features over 500 stickers and 12 unique scenes, all hand-drawn by independent artists. Your child can bring princesses, fairies, mermaids, and unicorns to life. This book features an original lay-flat design, perfect for little hands. Its spiral binding means more time creating and less time struggling with pages. They'll stay busy for hours with easy-to-peel stickers. The process is simple, just peel, stick, and play. Encourage them to gently peel each sticker to ensure they stay intact. This provides tons of fun and creative expression. Beyond fun, this activity helps kids build essential skills. They'll develop fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and hand-eye coordination. Engaging with the characters also sparks imagination and strengthens bonds. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This book is a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or just a rainy day activity. It's approved by parents and loved by children, bringing hours of creative entertainment. Designed for children aged 2 to 8, this book offers versatile entertainment. It's perfect for road trips or quiet time at home. They will love creating their own magical stories. What we like. This sticker book boasts over 500 enchanting stickers and 12 unique scenes for endless creative play. Its innovative lay-flat spiral binding makes it incredibly easy for tiny hands to create without hassle. If your child loves imaginative play with stickers and you want to encourage fine motor skills and spatial awareness, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. Skillmatics foil fun, animals. Let your child imagination soar with this magical, mess-free activity. They can create stunning pictures featuring various animals, sparking hours of creative play. It comes with over 100 foam stickers, colorful foil sheets, and picture canvases. Everything needed to start creating is right inside the box. Simply select a picture canvas and apply sparkly foil sheets using the included stickers. Watch as their creations come to life with vibrant colors and textures. It has been honored with the Toy Insider Award 2023 for Top Summer Toys. This recognition highlights the quality and enjoyment your child can expect from it. While having fun, children develop essential skills like creative expression and fine motor coordination. It's an engaging way for them to grow and learn. Parents will love this no-mess creative activity. It keeps kids engaged and entertained anywhere, without worrying about any cleanup. If you're looking for the perfect gift for an animal lover, look no further. It's a delightful surprise that encourages creativity and artistic exploration, perfect for home or on the go. What we like. This activity offers a magical, mess-free way for kids to create stunning foil art with over 100 colorful sheets. It's designed to develop essential skills like creative expression and pincer grasp through engaging play. If you like unique, vibrant art projects without the cleanup and want to boost fine motor skills, this award-winning kit is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Skillmatics Scissor Skills Activity Book, Snip Snip. This engaging activity book helps little ones master essential scissor skills. It guides them step by step through 25 fun activities, from simple straight lines to complex shapes. Inside, you'll find an activity booklet packed with exciting cutting challenges. It also comes with 2 child-safe scissors and a glue stick, so they can start creating immediately. Kids will love to cut, fold, and paste, strengthening their fine motor skills. They'll create colorful paper and felt crafts, building confidence with every masterpiece. Beyond just cutting, this kit sparks imagination and artistic expression. Children explore shapes and designs, developing vital creative skills for future success. Cutting, pasting, and folding refine hand-eye coordination, focus, and dexterity. It helps them develop holistically through play, building a strong foundation. This activity set offers a mess-free, engaging alternative to screen time. It keeps them entertained while encouraging hands-on creativity and learning. It's a safe, fun-filled, and educational gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Ideal for kids ages 3 to 7, it promotes learning through joyful play. What we like. This activity book is specifically designed to help preschoolers master scissor skills through 25 engaging activities. It includes 2 child-safe scissors and offers progressive difficulty levels, building confidence step by step. If you have a young child ready to develop crucial fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination in a safe and structured way, this is an excellent educational tool. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.